Hello guys, welcome to HanksPrecisionGunParts.com, and what I want to show you is some muzzle brakes that I've been working on. And what I'm calling these is my Radial-tactical style muzzle brake. And it's not my idea, it's not my design, it's just a muzzle brake that a customer sent me with a few modified changes and asked me if I could make these for him because he's installing these on all of his rifles and he really likes them. But there were some things that he wanted changed and asked me if I could do that. So I said, sure, I'll do it, and I've got them done. So here's what we've got. This is the muzzle brake that the customer sent me, and he wants to use these on a variety of rifles, not just big bore rifles. And when he buys this brake from the competition, it's bored out for 45 caliber muzzle loader, which that's not any good if you want to put it on a 308 or 243 or 6.5 Creedmoor or something, because the exit hole is already too big. So he's asked me to make these with a small exit hole, and I did. And he also wanted me to relieve the threads on the inside here where this brake is threaded all the way out, which means you have to cut an undercut into your tenon when you screw that on, because you can't thread all the way up to the shoulder. And on my brake, we did that. We put in an undercut, removed 100 thousandths of the thread. So now you can thread up as far as you can to your shoulder on the tenon, but you don't have to do a big undercut in there, which greatly improves the strength of your barrel and your tenon area. So we've done that, and we put a 1/4 inch hole through the brake. So you can use this on a gun as small as a 22 caliber, and you can bore it out to as big as you want to for whatever other calibers that you may want to use. We've got these starting, the smallest size we've got is down here at 7/8 of an inch in diameter, and they start out at a half 28 thread. Then we go to 7/8, which is a 5/8 24 thread, and then we've got a 5/8 32, and we just keep moving on up in size on this table. This one here is a 1 inch diameter, and then we move up to this one, which is a 1 1/8 inch diameter, and then we move up to this size, which is 1 1/4 inch in diameter. So depending on the caliber, the diameter of the barrel, whatever it is that you guys need to fit, we've got one here that's going to fit your gun. The other thing is, when I make these muzzle brakes, every single one of these are checked with a go and a no-go gauge. This is a class 2B fit, and we check every one of these on the machine before we cut it off. And you can see this is the go thread, this one screws on, and it should screw on. That's the way it should fit. So then when you unscrew that, and you check the no-go side, it should not screw on. So that's as far as it would go, about not even 1/8 of a turn. It'll engage in the thread, but it won't screw no farther. That's a class 2B fit, and I've got a gauge for every muzzle brake size that I'm making. So I want to make sure that all these parts that go out of here fit the industry standard, so that if you thread it to fit this and you decide you want to use a different brake, the other guy's brake should fit on here, or vice versa. If you thread it to fit somebody else's brake and you want to switch over to one of these, it should screw right on there, providing that the original threads are correct to industry standards. One other thing I'll run by you fellas is the price. The price on this muzzle brake that the customer sent me from the competition was $85 plus shipping. I'm going to sell my comparable brake, this one right here, for $55. So that's a $30 savings per part. So a guy orders 10 of these, he can save a substantial amount of money. The price does go up a little bit on the larger brakes by like $5 per size, just because the material costs a little more. There's some more machine time in it. And I think that's really about all I need to tell you on these muzzle brakes. They are available in stock here at Hanks Precision Gun Parts. Radial-tactical.com and pick them up while they last.